Okay, here's the problem that we're running into. Here's my finished PowerPoint project in the file folder. Okay, it's all inside. All the pieces are there. If I right click on it, you can see that I'm over the file size that I can upload to the Moodle. This is 13.1 megabytes. The biggest I can put on the Moodle is 10, but we haven't zipped it yet. So when I right click and say send to compressed zip file folder, it makes it, and here is my zipped presentation. Now when I right click on it and say properties now, you can see I'm below 10 megabytes. However, some of you are, after you're zipping, you're finding that you're over 10 megabytes and you're doing it the same exact way that I'm doing it. So I'm speculating that it could have to do with your version of Windows. I'm using Windows 7 and I'm thinking maybe it's a little bit more efficient at compressing and zipping the file. So, and some of you may be on Windows XP, say it might not be quite as good, because some of you are ending up with like 11 megabytes or just over 11 megabytes, and that's just a little bit too much, and the Moodle you can't upload that big a file. So what I'm asking you to do is, in this folder, after it's created, you see this one called PowerPoint view.exe. It's about 1.91 megabytes. It's almost 2 megabytes. If we delete it out of there, that will bring us below the file size that we need. That file is only necessary if you were to put this file on a flash drive and take it to somebody's computer that doesn't have PowerPoint. You could still run this project with that file, but since we don't need to worry about that, we'll just delete it out of there. Now that it's gone, when I zip this up again, you'll see that I'll even have a smaller file size, but mine wasn't the problem. Now I'm clear down to less than 9. But what that should do is end up making your compressed file size small enough that we can upload it without any problem to the Moodle. Okay? So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to email me or call, and I'll walk you through it. But I think if you do run into the problem, this should solve it. Okay? Let me know.